Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, we are going to explore the AdsPower Antidetect browser, covering everything from its interface and functionality to its settings. Let's get started. AdsPower stands out as one of the most popular anti-detect browsers for managing multiple accounts, known for its maximum efficiency thanks to its automation features. Designed to support diverse sectors like business management, e-commerce, arbitration, and cryptocurrency. It offers a versatile toolset. Key features include preset fingerprints for various devices, task automation, data protection through encrypted servers, and a control point for overseeing team activities. Let's take a closer look at the AdsPower browser subscription options. At the time of this video, the browser offers both a free and a custom plan. The free plan, aptly named Free, includes 5 browser profiles and is intended for one user or a single team member. This plan is an excellent way for you to familiarize yourself with the browser's functionalities. If you opt for the custom plan, you can tailor it to your needs starting at $9 per month, which provides up to 10 browser profiles for one person. If needed, you can add more team members for an additional $5 each. And similarly, you can increase the number of profiles. For instance, 50 profiles would raise the price to $26. All prices can be adjusted using a convenient slider during the selection of your plan. This plan includes features such as synchronization of profile data across several computers, mass management of profiles, the ability to recover deleted profiles from the trash, API automation, as well as unlimited profile sharing and setting up different access levels. It's also important to note that at the time of this video, discounts of up to 50% on subscriptions are available, alongside a variety of payment methods. Additionally, you can purchase a trial period ranging from 3 to 15 days to test the browser's full capabilities. Let's move on to the browser interface. As soon as we launch the AdsPower browser, we are immediately presented with the User Profiles section. Here you have the option to create a single profile or conduct a bulk import. Let's go through the process of creating a new profile. Start by clicking on the New Profile icon. You can set a profile name right away, add it to a group for better organization, and tag it for future reference. Choose your browser type from the 2 available options: Sun browser, based on Chrome, and Flower browser, based on Firefox. Next, select the operating system. Your options include Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS, allowing for a wide range of configurations. Below this, you can configure the user agent and upload any necessary cookies. There is also a space for notes, which can be handy given the variety of operating systems and browsers available. This flexibility allows you to create numerous browser profiles with different settings, enhancing online security. The following step involves setting up a proxy, which I have covered in a separate video. You can find the link to that video in the upper right corner of this screen. After the proxy is configured, assign one of the accounts to the available platforms and download any necessary extensions for the browser's functionality. In the advanced settings, you can adjust the language, fonts, and time zone. For those who are more technically inclined, you can configure settings like WebGL, WebGPU, and enable or disable features like Do Not Track, Flash, MAC address, TC selection, and Canvas. This allows for the creation of a unique device fingerprint, minimizing the chances of triggering security systems. Once the profile is created, you can edit, duplicate, export, move, and share it at any time. Additionally, you have the option to run macros on the created profile, enhancing its functionality. The Groups tab provides a well-organized view of folders containing various profiles. This tab is specifically designed to simplify profile management. Below that is the Trash tab. Here, any deleted profiles are stored for 30 days, offering you the chance to restore them if needed. Moving on, we find the Proxy Manager in the next section. This feature allows you to add either a single proxy or a list of proxies all at once. The next tab is dedicated to managing extensions. Here you can download and upload the latest extensions, which can then be easily selected during profile creation. The Synchronizer is up next. This tool lets you manage several profiles simultaneously. For example, a user can select multiple profiles and run them at the same time, with all actions being duplicated across the selected profiles. Moving on to automation tools. The RPA robot allows users to set up macros or action scenarios within the browser. These can be crafted manually or chosen from pre-existing templates. Schedules can be configured to automate tasks, running them without user intervention. API usage enables the automation of web operations and the management of browser profiles, but access is limited to subscription holders. With a paid subscription, users unlock these advanced functionalities. Next, the Billing tab. Here, users can monitor their balance, choose a tariff, and increase the number of available profiles, albeit for an additional fee. This tab also provides a view into transaction deductions and complete payment history. The Members tab displays all active team members. Users can organize members into groups, assign specific access levels, and manage team roles efficiently. The Action Logs tab records a comprehensive history of activities. It allows for the monitoring of logins by IP, profile interactions, and other user actions, facilitating effective responsibility allocation and work tracking among employees. As for other settings, the browser offers day and night modes, multiple languages, and detailed account customization. Users can fine-tune their profiles, link social networks for notifications, and save templates for easier profile creation in the future. In the local settings, it's possible to adjust the number of processes, for macros, allocate the necessary cache, or download specific browser versions. In conclusion, AdsPower stands out as a robust solution for automating routine tasks and ensuring user security through data and server encryption. It's well suited for both individual users and organizations, offering tools to optimize team collaboration. With its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface, the browser enhances productivity. The inclusion of API automation and the option to trial advanced features add significant value. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.